What's up mga pre, ako yung host Alvin Pacheco at nandito tayo ngayon sa event ni Lenovo kung saan in-announce sila at ni-release yung mga bagong products nila from the Legion brand, from IdeaPad, tsaka yung Yoga lineup nila. So ngayon katabi ko yung isa sa mga laptops na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo at i-showcase. So nandito ngayon si Sir Tristan, so ipapakilala niya kung sino or ano itong laptop na to.
This is actually the much awaited and most discussed, tagged as the most bang for the buck na GTX 1650 device in the market right now. So this is the L340 Gaming. So it starts at just $49,995 and you'll already get i5 9th Gen, 8 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte of hard drive, and of course I mentioned GTX 1650. And it will retail just for $49,995. If you want to update or have an i7 CPU naman, you can get i7, 1 TB of hard drive plus 1 to 8 gig SSD, 8 gigs of RAM, and GTX 1650 at just $59,995.
So kung maaalala nyo guys, ni-review natin yung isa sa mga budget laptop nila pero hindi yun gaming. It's the Lenovo IdeaPad 330S. So yun yung pumatok na video na alam ko nagustuhan nyo. So ito naman yung parang gaming notebook na papasok sa mga student dyan, lalo na back to school na ngayon. And also gusto nila maglaro at mag-work at the same time. So this 1650 laptop by Lenovo has an performance of somewhat sa mga games.
You can compare the GTX 1650 to a GTX 1050 Ti, but better.
Yes. Kasi nag-review rin tayo ng 1650 na ni Palette na video card. So yung performance niya is actually mas mataas ng onti sa 1050 Ti pero mas malamig ng onte and also mas power consumption friendly. Yeah. So saan nila pwede itong mabili na at kailan yung release ng laptop na to?
Today is June 28 and all the pre-orders na ni-run namin from June 15 to 23 can now be ordered today. So today, available na siya in-store for those who pre-ordered, and for those who unfortunately didn't place a pre-order, you can buy this tomorrow, June 29 naman, in all stores nationwide at the same price.
So basically, available na kaagad to pag nirelease ko tong video na to. So pwede ba natin sir pakita parang mabilis na overview lang kung ano meron dito sa laptop na to?
So here it is. So it doesn't look like a gaming laptop talaga per se, but it has all the guts that you'll expect. It has a blue backlit keyboard. You can see here, blue accented air vents here and actually below. Thin bezel and privacy matters. So it has a true block privacy shutter. So medyo hindi nyo makikita but it has this feature na physical button to cover up the shutter ng webcam. So it's very thin, it has all the ports that you need, and it has Type-C port for all your data transfers.
So may Thunderbolt ba to? Wala.
It doesn't have
Okay.
Thunderbolt.
So makikita ko lang dito is may sleek design siya kasi yun nga yung tagline ni Lenovo ngayon is parang ano nga ba
Stylish on the outside, savage on the inside for
yun.
Legion.
So kung sa mga gamers dyan na hindi masyadong gusto magpasikat ng laptop nila, yung parang discreet lang.
Subtle lang.
Na naglalaro. So ito yung laptop para sa inyo. And also budget friendly siya. Ika nga ni sir, bang for the buck na laptop siya ni Lenovo. So I think that's it for the, anong product to sir? Anong model number?
IdeaPad L340 Gaming.
Okay. For the L340 Gaming. So I think that's it. Kung gusto niyo ng review nito, make sure na mag-comment kayo sa comment section below para malaman namin na interested kayo dito sa laptop ni Lenovo. Kaya guys, kung nagustuhan niyo itong video na to, i-like nyo. Kung hindi naman, i-dislike at huwag nyo kalimutang mag-subscribe. Thank you kay Sir Tristan at saka sa Lenovo para sa pag-invite sa amin dito sa event na to. So ayun guys, kung nagawa nyo na i-like, dislike, comment, subscribe. Maraming salamat mga pre at see you on the next one.